everyone, and thank you for joining me for Sketchbook Sunday, episode 57. I've been doing a lot of painting in my sketchbook for this series so far, and I realized that I almost never draw in my sketchbook anymore, and I was kind of missing the simplicity of just sketching something monochromatic with a pencil. And so today I'm doing just that. Just doing some really simple sketching in my moleskine sketchbook. I'm using a regular graphite pencil to sketch a simple outline, and then to fill everything in, I'm using General's charcoal pencils in 6B and 2B, a Royal and Langnickel brush to smudge the charcoal along with my fingers, which I know is frowned upon, but guess who cares? Someone out there, probably, but not me, so I'm also using this General's eraser for highlight areas. For the first sketch, I stuck with my comfort zone. I just wanted to relax and have fun with these drawings, and what better way than to draw something super familiar that I've drawn and painted 8 billion times already. And I know, so revolutionary. But for anyone new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Please watch some of my oil painting videos because they're much better and more time consuming to create, therefore better quality. But this is my sketchbook series where I just try not to obsess over creating some kind of perfect art and simply have fun with more laid back art while chatting with you guys about different topics. Today I guess is just a brief update kind of day. I don't have any deep meaningful topic to talk about. I just wanted to chat with you guys and update you on a couple things. So regarding the drawing, I'm actually not a huge fan of how charcoal feels. I'm so used to oil painting at this point, which just glides on so smoothly, and charcoal feels like the exact opposite of that. It's so dry and kind of sandy, but I love how dark and non-reflective it is, and also how well it smudges. So I can get a lot of coverage rather quickly and easily by smudging with a brush, and sometimes I'll just bear with my neurons yelling at me that it feels weird, and I'll just use the charcoal. I haven't posted a Sketchbook Sunday video in a few weeks now, and I've just been dealing with some things outside of my work stuff, and it's been weighing me down a bit, and I didn't want to post a video that I made strictly because I felt like I had to, so that the YouTube algorithm doesn't punish me for not posting, and then I end up with a crappy video because I wasn't super into it or I was distracted, and I just don't want to do that. I don't want to upload something crappy. I mean, who knows, maybe you might think this is crappy, which is fine, it's cool. So I just, took a little breather, I guess. But it's really nice to just relax and chat with you guys in a video that I'm not presenting an oil painting where I feel like I have to be super proper and professional. And I hope you notice a video quality difference here as far as the footage goes, because I've upgraded my camera finally, and now I'm filming on the 90D. Previously, for like the last 8 years, I've used a Canon T2i, and later on I used an EOS M. I actually really like the videos on my EOS M, so I'm going to continue using that, but my T2i is so old and it's also discontinued, so you can't buy or probably find a new T2i anywhere. It's just a really old camera. I can't believe it took this long to upgrade, and personally, watching back my older videos and comparing my old footage to the footage this new camera is producing is insane to me. I don't know how I got away with that quality for so long, and I'm sorry. But new equipment and new materials always motivate me to create more, and I end up really inspired to make the best use of the tools I have in order to properly give them justice and express gratitude, I guess. Gratitude for everything, really. So yeah, this is just a really quick, chill drawing session in my sketchbook. A lot of you have been asking if I'm gonna do a sketchbook tour, and I definitely will. I've almost filled up my sketchbook, so once it's totally full, I promise I will post a new sketchbook tour, hopefully in like a month, but I do have an old one from a couple years back if you'd like to see that, if you haven't already. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I sketch in my studio. Thank you so much for watching. I'm wishing you all a beautiful and inspiring day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone!